This is Alard item Y5248. It is a little dip tank, immersion washer. This is basically set up for a short retention time so that you can dip your product, rinse it in water or in a vitamin C or other antioxidant or preservative solution to keep your product from turning brown or otherwise degrading. It is, of course, all stainless steel. It has a recirculating pump, has a beautiful new belt. The conveyor lifts out for sanitation, has operator controls for the pump and the conveyor. Yeah, here's the pump right here. So we're going to test run this a little bit and show you it's just ducky. Okay, we will splash down. As you can see, the there's water jets pushing from the infeed end. Since the floaters are moving, the sinkers go down onto the belt at the bottom. They come up, they go onto the belt, they drop off the end. Pretty straightforward. So there you have it. Has a nice stainless steel drive motor. I mean, as you can see, this is a real nice piece of equipment. If you have any questions about this, how it's configured, or about how you might want to use it, give us a call at 315-589-4511. So there it is, our item Y5248. Food grade stainless steel, sanitary stainless steel food grade dip tank in stock at Alard Equipment Company. It's everything it's quacked up to be. And buy it now before somebody else gets it. Give us a call. Alard Equipment. In stock, an excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.